Hey, in this video, I will show you how to read free books on iPhone or books for free on iPhone. It's very simple, so hit the like button, and if you are new, hit the subscribe button. The first thing you want to do is open up your Books app. So you want to swipe up on your phone and type in books, just like so. Go to Books right here. You want to click on Get Started, and here you are at the Books app. You want to click on the bookstore at the bottom. And here you can see a lot of different options. You can see page charts, as you can see page charts, but also if you swipe right on top charts, you can see more on the free charts. So here you can actually see a lot of free books. If you want to see more, you can click on browse charts, just select the free option, and that's it. It's very simple. And here you can download a lot of books just like so. If you have any questions around how to read free books on iPhone, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. If I did help you out, hit the like button. See you next one. Bye.